Hello. Guys, can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Someone mute yourself. Can I share the screen? Yes.
Sir.
Sai Kumar, where we stopped in the last discussion? Sai Kumar, where we stopped in the last discussion? Any idea?
Constructor function.
Constructor functions, na? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
open the Visual Studio Code?
And the last program is the function prototype.
Okay, fine. File, open folder. File, open folder. What is our folder?
Yes.
Sir, we don't meet at 5:45. No,
JS 6 AM. Huh?
we don't meet at 5:45 a.m. No.
No, I think I forget it. Actually, I didn't remember. I forget it.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Guys, JS 6 AM folder. Let me go for the JS 6 AM folder. So this is the JS 6 AM folder now.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the folder we have, this folder we can call the JS 6 AM folder. Fine. After going through the JS 6 AM folder. Yes, after going through the JS 6 AM folder, guys, can you open functions.html? Yes, please open functions.html. Fine. Guys, did you understand prototype example?
Yes.
Can I go for one more example with the prototype?
Okay, sir.
Yes, let me go for the one more example with the prototype. Can I take the script tag here?
Yes, sir.
Let me take the script tag. Here itself, we need to take the script tag. Here itself, whatever the tag we have, this tag we can call the script tag. Guys, how to create the class one?
Function.
How to create the class one? Here itself, how to create it? Function.
Function.
Class one.
Class one. Function class one. How to add the variable or how to add the function dynamically? I want to add the function dynamically.
Yes,
How
sir.
can I add function dynamically?
Class one dot prototype.
Class one dot prototype dot function one equal to
Yes.
function of. Class one dot prototype dot function one equal to function of now.
Yes.
Class one dot prototype dot. Yes, class one dot prototype dot. Here itself what you wanted to place. Class one dot prototype dot at least one person.
Function one equal
Yes,
to
function one. Class one dot prototype dot class one equal to function equal to here itself what you wanted to place. Return hello one.
Hello one.
Return hello one or something we needed to place. Return hello one or something we needed to place. Guys, say this one again. Can I create the class 2?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
create
sir.
the class 2? Yes, let me create the class 2. How to create the class 2? Anyone, guys?
Function.
How to create the class 2? Function class 2.
Of
Function class 2. Guys, how to create the relationship? How to create relationship? Class 2 data.
Class 2
Data. Prototype
equal to
class 2 dot prototype equal to
object dot
data. Create of
parent.
class 1 data. Class 1 data.
Dot prototype.
Class 2 dot prototype equal to object dot create of class 1 dot prototype. Guys,
Yes, sir.
can I add one more function?
Okay, sir.
Can I add one more function? How can I add one more function? Class 2 dot
class 2 dot prototype
dot
function 2
function
equal
2
to function of
function 2 equal to function of equal to function of return what you wanted to return
hello
to return hello to. Here itself we need to return the hello to. Guys, this class contain how many functions?
Okay, this class contains one function.
This class contain how many functions?
Two function.
Two functions.
Function
Function 1
one,
and
Function 2.
function 2.
function 1 and function 2. Function 1 and function 2. Next one. Guys, can I create the class
Object.
3? Smita,
Okay. Class
can I
3.
create the class 3? How can I create class 3?
Function class
Class
3.
3. Function, which function? Function here itself, we should be in position class 3. Function class 3. How to create the relationship here?
Class.
I want to
Class
create relationship
Class
here.
2.
How can I create
Class
relationship
2.
here?
Class 2 dot prototype.
So say this fun here. Class 3.
Acha, class 3. Yes. Child class.
Class 3 dot
Class 3 dot
prototype
prototype equal to
prototype
object dot
equal
create.
to object dot create of class 2 dot prototype.
Yes.
Who is the superclass?
Superclass is a class 1.
Class 1. Who is the child class?
Class 2.
Child
Class 2.
class
Who is
2.
who is the subchild class?
Class
Class
3.
three.
Class 3. Let's explain once again. Who is the parent class?
Class 1.
Class 1. Who is the child class?
Class
Class
2.
Class 2.
Two.
Who is the subchild class?
Class
Class
3.
3.
Class 3. Guys, can I create the function 3? Yes.
Yes.
Class 3
Class 3 dot prototype.
prototype dot
Function 3
dot function
dot
3
function
equal
3 equal to function
equal
of
to function of equal to function of return
return hello 3.
hello 3 return hello 3. Guys, will you people explain once again? Parent class contain how many functions?
One function.
One
One
function.
function. Guys, child class contain
Two functions.
Two function.
two functions. Function 1 and function 2. Guys,
Yes.
subchild class contain how many
Three
functions?
functions.
Three
Functions.
Function 1,
Function
function 1,
two,
function 2, function 3.
And function
Guys,
3.
if I create a object to the class 1,
Yes.
if I create object to the class 1, how many
Yes.
functions we can call? How many
Three
functions we
function.
can call? Guys, if I create a object to the class 1, how many functions we can call?
Only one function.
Only
Only one
sir.
function. If I create an object to the class 2, how many
Hmm.
functions I can call?
Two
Two
functions.
functions. If I create an object to the class 3, how many functions we can call?
Three functions we can call.
Three functions. We can call 3 functions. Yes or not?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
create an object to the class 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let me create object to the class 1. Guys, let
Let obj1
OBJ1.
equal
let
to
obj1 equal to
new
new class 1.
class 1.
Nagababu, how many functions we are able to call?
One.
function.
Only one
function.
function. How to call?
obj1
Console
dot log of
Log of.
obj1 dot
Console
Obj1
dot log off.
function
Console
1
dot log off. obj1 dot
One dot variable.
Function
obj1 dot
Function
function
one.
1. Say this button. Console dot log off obj1 dot function 1. Guys, can I create object to the class 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me create object to the class 2. How can I create? Let
Let obj2
obj2. Let obj2. Let obj2. Say this one here. Let obj2 equal to new
New class 2.
class
2.
2.
New class 2. Guys, how many functions we can call?
Two functions
Two
we can call.
functions. How can I call?
Console dot log of
Console dot log
log
off.
of
OBJ.
Console dot log off
obj1 dot
obj2.
function 2
obj2. obj2 dot
obj2 dot
function
function
1.
2
Function 1.
function 1
Next one. obj2
obj2 dot
dot
function 2
function 2. obj2 dot function 2. Automatically we can
dot
call
sir.
the two functions. obj2
Sir,
dot
obj2,
function
yes.
2. obj2 dot function 2. Automatically we can call the two functions. Next one, guys. After calling the two functions, guys, can I create object to the class 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Let me create object to the class 3. Guys, will you tell the syntax to me how to create object to the class 3?
Yes, sir.
Let obj3
Let OBJ3
3
One second,
equal to
guys.
new
One
class
second.
3.
new class 3.
Here itself, how to create object to the class 3?
Let OBJ3 equal
obj3 equal to
class
new class 3. Class 3.
class 3.
Yeah, here itself, new class 3. Automatically, we can create object to the class 3. Guys, how many functions we can access?
Three
Console dot-
functions.
console dot
log of
console dot log off
obj3 dot
obj3
obj3 function 1
obj3
Function 1.
data
function 1.
function 1
obj3 data. See this one again. obj3 data function 1 function
Hmm.
1,
Comma,
next one,
obj2,
obj3 dot,
Three dot
function 2,
function 2,
function 2, next one,
obj3 dot
obj3 dot,
obj3 dot function 3.
obj3 dot, next one is the obj3 dot, next one is the, we need to place the function 3. Guys, who is the parent class?
function 1,
Class 1.
Class 1, class 1.
Class
Class
1.
1 contain how many functions?
One function
One
only.
One
function.
function. Guys, who is the child class?
class
Child
2,
class is the
Class
class
2.
2.
Contain how many
two
functions?
Two
functions,
Two
functions only.
functions. Two functions. Guys, who is the subchild class?
class
Class 3.
Class 3. Contain how many functions?
3
Three
functions,
functions.
Three functions. Three functions. One more last question. If I create a object to the class 1, how many functions we can access?
One function only.
Only one function. Only one function. If I create a object to the class 2, how many functions we can access?
Two function.
Two functions.
Hey, Shravan. If
Two,
I create
sir.
an object to the class 2, how many functions we can call? Two functions, sir. Not one. Function 1 and function 2. Shravan, if I create an object to the class 3, how many functions we can access?
Three functions.
How to execute it here? Go live.
Yes, go live option.
After going to the go live,
Inspector.
inspector. Yes, this is the class 1.
Yes, class 1 I've put.
Praveen.
Sir,
Guys, can I go to the class 2?
Hmm.
Yes, let me go to the class 2. This is the class 2, na?
yes sir,
Hmm.
yes, sir.
This is the class 2. One second, guys, one second. Can I go to the class 3?
yes,
Let me go to the class 3. Yes. Guys, did you get the clarity regarding the prototype chaining?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Yes. Guys, parent class functionality. I wanted to override parent class functionality with the child class functionality. I wanted to override parent class functionality with the child class functionality. With the child
Okay.
class functionality, we can call method of overriding or function of overriding. Listen
Okay.
one second. I wanted to override parent class functionality with the child class functionality. We can call function of overriding. Let me see one example. Let me see one
In
example.
the child class functionality will go on, na, sir?
Yes. Here itself. Let me comment this code. Whatever the code is there, that code I need to comment. Comment this code. Comment this code. Fine. 1 second, guys. After commenting that code, guys. After commenting that code, fine. Guys, can I go for the
Hmm.
guys? Can I go for the script tag?
Yes, sir.
yes sir,
Yes. Let me go for the script tag. Here itself, we need to go for the script tag. Guys, after taking the script tag, observe this one. After taking the script tag, Ida, are you there now? Ida, after taking the script tag,
Yes.
can I create parent
Parent
class?
Yes,
sir.
you
Can
can.
I create a parent class? Let me
Yes.
create the parent class. How can I create the parent class? Guys,
Function
function
class
class 1.
Class.
Function class 1. Yeah. Can I add one function here?
Yes.
sir.
Can I add one function here? Yes. We
Function
should be in a
class.
position. We need to add one function. How can I add the function?
Class 1
Class
dot
1 dot
prototype.
class 1 dot class 1 dot
Prototype
prototype dot db function.
Equal
db
to
function equal to
One
function
function
of
Function. Yes.
Yeah. So this fun class fun dot prototype dot db function equal to function of fun.
Yeah.
This function returning what? Return data from Oracle DB soon.
Okay.
Return data from Oracle DB soon. Next one guys is this one here itself. Can I create the class 2 function
Yes.
function
Class.
class 2
Class 2.
function class 2 guys? How to create the relationship here? I wanted to create
Class
the
2
relationship.
dot prototype
How
equal
can I
to
create relationship here?
First we should have
How can I
class
class
create
2
a
dot prototype
relationship
equal
here?
to object dot
Class
create.
2 dot class 2
Prototype.
dot
Class 2 dot
prototype
prototype
equal to
object dot create.
object dot
Create of
create of
class 1
class
dot
1
prototype.
class 1 dot prototype.
Prototype.
Yes, class 2 dot prototype equal to object dot create of class 1 dot prototype. Guys, is it a child class?
Yes, child class.
Child class also contain the same function, not another function. Child
Okay.
class also contain the same function. How can I take same function? Class 2
Class
dot
2 dot prototype
dot
db fun.
prototype dot db function equal to
Function of
equal to function of guys, return
any
data
other
from
things.
MongoDB databases soon. Return data from MongoDB databases soon or something we need to do place. Here itself we need to do place return data from MongoDB databases soon. Guys, is it a class fun?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Class fun returning what?
Data from Oracle DB soon.
Data from Oracle DB soon. Guys, is it a child class?
Yes, class 2 is child class.
Child class also contain the same function now.
Yes, the same function.
Parent class contain same function. Child class also contains same function. So internally what happen? Parent
Overriding.
class functionality, listen. Parent class functionality overriding with the child class functionality.
Yes.
Say this one. Data from Oracle DB soon overriding with the data from MongoDB soon. Very, very important here. Data from Oracle DB soon overriding with the data from MongoDB soon. So I think parent class functionality overriding with the child class functionality. Nagbabu, what is the name of the parent class?
Class 1, sir.
The name of the parent class is the class 1. Class 1 contain which function?
DB
Class 1 contain which function? Class 1 contain
DB
one function. Which function? DB function. This a DB function contain which message? Data from
Oracle
DB soon. Guys, what is the name of the child class?
Class 2.
Class 2 also contain the same class now.
Yes, sir.
Madhav Sharma, parent class contains same function. Child class also contain the same function. So parent class functionality we are overriding with the parent class functionality. We are overriding with the child class functionality. So data from Oracle DB soon overriding with what? Data
from MongoDB soon.
Guys, so who is the parent class?
Class 1.
Class 1 contain how many functions?
One
One function. Who is the child class?
Class 2.
Class 2.
To contain how many functions?
Same function of class
Only
1.
one function, not to two functions, only one function. The reason is the method name. Both are the same or not?
Same.
Here also the method name is the same, the method name is the same. So DB function. So because of that reason, child class also contain only one function, not to two functions, because the reason is the same method name na. Same method name. So internally what happen? Parent class functionality overriding with the child class function. Guys, can I create object to the child class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I create object to the child class? Yes. Let me create object to the child class. So how can I create object to the child class?
Let obj.
Can I create object to the class 2? Yes. Create the object to the class 2. So how can I create here? Let obj equal to new class 2. Let obj equal to new class 2. Automatically we can create object to the class 2. Guys, console dot log off. Console dot log off. Say this
obj dot
DB function. Obj dot DB function. Automatically we can create object to the class 2 and a variable to access that function. Yes. Guys,
Yes.
what is the output we are getting?
Data
MongoDB.
from MongoDB.
Data from
Data
MongoDB database.
MongoDB database. So, guys, at least here half of the members did get the clarity regarding this example.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nagababu, where you stuck at?
Sir, once repeat, sir.
Yeah, say this one. It is which class?
Class
Okay.
1, sir.
Class 1. Contain which function?
DB function.
DB function 1. It is which class?
Okay, class 2, sir.
Class 2. Contain which function?
DB function 2.
Class 2 contain how many functions?
Only one function, I guess.
Listen. Class 2 contain how many functions?
Only one
Two
function.
function.
Listen once again. Class 2 contain how many functions?
Two
Class
function.
Two functions.
Two functions.
Now.
DB function 1, DB
function.
function 1 and a DB function
Okay,
2.
okay.
Yeah, explain once again. Class 1 contain how many functions?
One function,
One
DB
One
one
function. Class 2 contain how many functions?
Two
Two
functions.
Two
functions.
functions.
two.
Class
And
1 contain DB function 1 and class 2 contain DB function
D
2.
function 1 and 2 function.
DB function 1. Next one is the DB function
DB
2.
function
Yes
2.
or not?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or not? So here itself one more point. One more point is the try to see this one. So if the both the functions name are the same, if the both the functions name same, here also DB function, here also DB function. But
Yes, sir.
internally what happen? This code overriding with this code. This
Okay,
code overriding with this code. So because of that reason, we're getting data from MongoDB. So I think know that point. I think once if you analyze that code, then you can understand.
Okay,
Fine.
okay. Thank
Guys,
you.
Yes, yes.
let me go for the one. Guys, after completing this one, can I go for the after completing this concept, can I go for the one more concept? The concept is the generators concept. We need to go
Generators.
for one more concept. Which concept? The concept is the generators
Generator.
concept. Let me go for the generators concept. Guys, to control the statements. Guys, to control the statements inside the function. Guys,
Okay.
to control the statements inside the function. Listen once again, guys. To control the statements inside the function, then we need to go for generators. Nagbabu, can you explain once again here why generators? To control
To control
the
the
to control the flow of execution. To
Yes, sir.
control the
Control the
to
function.
control the statements execution.
Statements.
Execution
Inside the function.
function. Inside the function, then we need to go for one advanced topic.
generators.
That advanced topic we can call generators. That advanced topic we can call generators. Fun. Guys, say this one again. How to create the function 1? Will you people tell me how to create the function 1? At least one person here.
Function.
Function. Function.
Function.
Function 1.
Function 1.
Function 1.
Function 1.
It contain number of statements. See this one.
Mm.
Line number 1. Line number 1. Next one. Line number 2. Next one. Line number 2. Line number 2. Next one. Line number 3. Next one is the line number 3. Line number 3. Next one. Line number 4. Next one. Line number 4. Next one. Line number. Next one. Line number 10. Totally how many lines of code we have?
10
lines of code.
Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4 and line 10. See this one here. First of all, execute which line? Line number 1.
Line 1.
Later execute which line? Line number 10. Later execute which line? Line number 3. Later execute which line? Line number 2. Line number 2. Later execute which line? Line number 5. So you are controlling the statements execution now.
Okay.
We are controlling the statements execution. Yes or not? Say this one here. If a line number 1 executed successfully, then only execute the
Line
then
number
only
10.
execute
Line
the
number
line
10.
number 2, line number 10. If a line number 10 executed successfully, then only execute the
Line number 3.
If line number 3 executed successfully, then only execute the
Line 2.
Line number 2.
line 2. Shravan, if line number 2 executed successfully, line number 4 should be in the waited mode. Should be in the waited mode. Line number 4 should be in the waited mode. If
Hold
line
position.
number 2 executed successfully, up to the line number 4, like in the waiting mode or not?
Yes, sir.
Waiting mode. If line number 2 executed successfully, then only execute what? Line number 5. Guys, listen the point once again here. Sai, line number 1, initially who will execute?
1.
Line number 1 will execute. Up to execution of line number 1, who is in the waiting mode?
Line number 10.
Line number
Line
10.
number 10. Line number 10 here. Up to execution of line number 10. Up to execution of line number 10, who is in the waited mode?
Line number
number
3.
3.
Line number 3. After execution of line number 3, who will execute?
Line
Line
number
number 2
Line
is
number 2.
waiting
After
mode.
execution of line number 2, who will execute?
4.
Line number
Line number 4.
4.
Line number 4. Guys, these kind of control we will get with the help of which concept?
Generators.
Generators. Fine. Can you tell the theoretical point? Our own statements are not technical statements. Generators. Generators controls the statements.
Statements inside the function.
Statements in functions.
In functions.
Fine. Guys, how to represent the generators? Generators should have star symbol. Generator should have which symbol?
Star symbol.
Star symbol. Next one. Each statement should have yield statement. Which statement? Yield statement.
Okay.
Each statement should contain yield statement. Fine. Yeah. Guys, can you please read it here? Fine. Saurav, read it here. Generators controls
the statements.
statement 1, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and statement
Yes,
100. It will
yes.
control the statements. Next one.
You can
One more
control
point. Ravanta, one more point. What is the one more point? Generators
generator
should have generators
star.
should have which symbol? Star symbol. Coming to the generators, generators should have a star symbol. Next one. Each statement should have which statement should have which statement?
Yield.
Yeah, each statement should have the yield na. Each
Yes, sir.
statement should have the yield here. Here
Yield
itself,
statement.
we have the each statement. Each statement should have the yield statement. Guys, and one more point. One more point. Generators will return. Generators will return cursor mechanism. Will return which mechanism? Cursor mechanism. Fine. See this one here. By using cursors, we can control statements. We can control which one? We can control statements. Rajesh, are you there now? Fine. Generators will return what?
Cursor mechanism.
By using cursors only, we can control the
statement.
Control the
statements.
statement.
By using cursors only, we can control the statements. Guys, why generator functions? At least one person. Why generator
Control the
functions?
statement execution.
To control the statements. In order to control the statements. Then we need to go for the generators. Fine. Generators should contain what? Star. Each statement should prefix with what?
Yield.
Yield here. Next one more point. Generators will return what?
Generator.
Cursor. By using cursor only, we can control the flow of execution. Guys, can I go for the first dummy example?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
let me go for the first dummy example. Jansi, how to create the function 1? Jansi, how to create the function 1? Function 1. Jansi, say this one. Function 1. Here itself, we should be in a position. We need to take the function 1. Guys, say this one again. Can I take the script tag here? Let me take the script tag. Guys, is it a normal function?
A normal function.
Yes, sir. How to make the generator function?
Star symbol.
Star.
Adding
Star
star.
symbol.
Star
If,
symbol.
if no star, then we can call normal function.
No.
If a star available, then this function we can
Generator
call
function.
generator function.
Generator.
Is I think please tell me, Jansi, how to create the function one? Function, function, which
One.
function? Function one. Function,
Generator function.
function one here. Here itself we have the function, function one here. Let me go for the function, function one. We need to place here. Go is here itself. After creating the function, function one, function one. This is not the normal function. This function we can call. This is not the normal function. This function we can call generator function. Whatever the function we have here, that function we can call generator function. Ravi, can you please unmute yourself? Margani Ravi. Ravi, you are from which batch, Ravi? Fine. Next one, Goisa. Observe this one here. Goisa. Function, function one. Next one. Each statement should start with what? Yield keyword. Yield of, say this one here. Yield of statement one. Yield of what? Yield of statement one. Goisa. Yield of statement two. Yield of statement two. Goisa. Yield of what you wanted to place. Yield of statement three. Yield of statement three. Next one. Yield of statement four. Yield of statement four. Next one. Yield of which is statement? Yield of statement five. Yield of statement five. Something we needed to place. Totally how many statements we have?
5 statements. Sir.
Totally how many statements we have? Totally we have the 5 statements now. Statement one, statement two, statement three, statement four, and statement five. Nearly 5 statements we have here. Yes or not? Go yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I call the function one? Let me call the function one. Go yes, sir. Generator function will return what? Generator
Cursor
function
mechanism.
will return what? Cursor now.
Cursor mechanism.
It will return cursor. Go yes, sir. What is the default position of the cursor? Assume here this is the cursor. What is the default position of the cursor? The default position of the cursor is above first record. The default position of the cursor is above first record. Is
First record.
I think not on the first record, above first record. The default position of the cursor is above first record.
Oh,
We need to move this cursor line by line now.
Yes,
Line
sir.
number one. Next one, line number two. Next one, line number
Control the
three.
execution.
Next one, line number four. Next one, line number five. Whatever the cursor we generated, that cursor we need to move line by line. So how to move cursor line by line? If you want to move cursor line by line, then we need to call one function. Which function we need to call? Console.log of cursor dot which function? Next function. Guys, what is the default position of the cursor?
Above the first record.
Above first record. Ravi, try to talk with me. Maragani Ravi, please try to talk with me. Is you are from which batch?
Sir, 6 a.m. next.
Okay, fine. Say this one again. Guys, what is the default position of the cursor? Above
First
how
record.
to move record by record? How to move record by record with the help
Cursor dot
of
text.
function. Guys, if I call only one time, that cursor goes to statement one.
First statement, yes.
If I call once again here, I think how many times we called here? Only one time, na? If I call only one time, which statement will execute? Statement one. Guys, if I call once again here, which function will execute? Statement two. Guys, if I call once again, which statement will execute? Statement three. Guys, if I call once again, which statement will execute?
Statement four.
Statement four. If I call once again, which statement will execute?
Statement five.
This code is used to execute the statement one, statement two, statement three, statement four. Next one is the statement five. Guys, say this one here. Do we have any other statement?
No.
Internally, what happened? We will see.
Data refresh.
You see this one here. Guys, statement one executed now. Yes, guys. Statement one saying behind me one more person available. See this one here. Statement one saying one. Statement one saying behind me, back of me, one more person available. How it can tell? Done equal to false. Guys, what is the meaning of done equal to false? Behind me, one more person available. which person? Statement 2. Guys,
Okay.
statement 2 backside, one more person available. Which
Statement
person?
3 is
One more
available.
person available. Which person?
Statement 3.
Statement 3. Behind the statement 3, one more person available. Which person?
Statement
Statement
4.
4. Behind the statement 4, one more person available. Which person? Statement 5.
Fine.
We say this one. How to give that information? False, 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 false. Guys, what is the meaning of false? Statement 1 saying, I'm not the last person. I'm not the last person. Behind me, my friend is there. Who is that friend? Statement 2. Fun. Guys, statement 2 saying one, friend, myself, I'm not the last person. Myself, I'm not the last
Statement
person.
3 are backup.
Behind me, my friend is there. Fine. Statement 3 saying what? Myself, I'm not the last person. Behind me, statement 4 is there. Myself, I'm not the last person. My friend is there. Who is that friend? Statement 5.
Statement
But
5.
statement 5 also thinking behind the statement 5, one more person is there. Any person?
No person.
No person. So because of that reason, done equal to what? Done equal to true. Done equal to true. Guys, this is one of the objective question. What is the meaning of false and true? What is the meaning of false and true means? False means what? False means
Behind me.
behind me X person is there. And statement 5 don't know. Statement 5 don't know. So because of that reason, it is saying false only. But behind the statement 5, which person available? Undefined. So because of that reason, done equal to what? Done equal to true. Guys, this is one of the objective question. Will you prepare yourself this one?
Yes, sir.
Guys, can I ask the one question? How to recognize the generator functions?
Stars.
With a star symbol.
Start with
With the
star.
help of star symbol, we can recognize the generator
And it's
functions.
written by the
Guys,
yield.
each statement should start with what?
Yield.
Each statement should start with the yield keyword. Guys, what is the meaning of false keyword?
Behind me, one more.
Yeah, iteration not completed.
One more.
Iteration not completed. Iteration,
Yes.
execution not completed.
Looking. Yes.
What is the meaning of false? Execution completed. Execution is over. False means execution not completed. True means execution completed.
Execution
False
completed.
means execution not
Execution not
completed.
completed.
True means execution completed. Fine. Why statement 5 returning the false? Why statement 5 returning the false? Statement 5 don't know behind. Statement 5 don't know behind. So because of that reason, it is returning the false. Guys, will you remember this answer long time? Compulsory question here, compulsory question. So guys, can I go for another example?
Okay, sir.
Yes, let me go for another example. We should be in a position. We need to go for another example. Try to go for another example. Guys, can I take the script tag?
Yes, sir.
Can I take the script tag? Let me take the script tag. Guys, after taking the script tag, can I create the generator function? Yes. How to create function one. Function one. Guys, say this one. Can I keep the yield statement here?
Yes.
Can I keep the yield statement here? Yield of 100. Guys, yield of 200. Guys, return 300. Guys, yield of 400. Yield of 100, yield of 200, return of 300, yield of 400.
The return is working, sir.
Yeah, guys, after return statement, nothing will execute.
Okay.
Guys, after the return statement, nothing will execute. So
the end of the return.
will 400 execute?
No, sir.
No, 400 never execute.
No.
Coming to the 400 never execute. Guys, after the return statement, nothing will execute. So 400 never execute. Guys, can I call the function one?
Yes,
Let cursor equal to cursor equal to function one. Guys, what is the default position of the cursor?
Default.
What is the default position? Reverse yield. What is the default position of the cursor? Anyone?
First line.
Before first line. So how to execute it here? Console.log of cursor dot next one. Which statement will execute?
Yield
100. How to execute 200?
Same.
Again,
200. How to execute 300? Next. Guys, how to execute 400? Next. Will 400 execute?
No.
No,
No,
check the
no.
proof. Check the
Why,
proof.
sir?
Guys,
Undefined.
why na? Why I will tell you. Just come to the offline class today. I will tell you. Guys, see this one can. Guys, is 100 executed?
Yes.
Yes. Guys, is 200
Yes.
executed?
Yes.
Yes. Is 300 executed?
Yes.
Yes. But what is the done here?
True.
Done is the
True.
true. Guys, why 400 not executed?
Because of return statement.
Because of return statement. No one guys, no one understanding na.
Understood.
Guys, why 400 not executed?
We have written.
400 is the return statement.
Guys, at least one person here. Why 400 not executed? 400 available after the return statement na.
Yes, sir.
If any statement available after the return statement, that code never execute. Whatever the code we have, that code never execute. Guys, remember that one. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
done here? What is the done here?
Yes.
Done in the
Done
done
equal to true.
done equal to true. What is the meaning of done equal to
True,
true?
sir.
Done equal to
Iteration
true. What is
completed.
the meaning?
No,
Iteration is
Iteration
completed.
Guys,
Iteration is completed.
guys, here itself. Line number 656 will execute or not?
Yes,
Yes,
execute.
What is the done value?
False.
False.
False. Guys, line number 200 will execute or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. What is the done value?
False.
False.
Guys, line number 300 will execute or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
Execute.
what is the done value?
True.
True,
sir.
true. The done value is the true. What is the meaning of true? What is the
Iteration
meaning
is
of true?
completed.
Iteration is
completed.
completed.
Iteration completed. Will line number 659 execute or not?
No, execute.
No. Undefined na? We are getting
Undefined.
undefined and true.
We got true.
Undefined and true. We got it again. Fine. You guys see this one again. Can I go for the another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me go for the another example. Here itself, guys, can I take the script tag here?
Yes, sir.
Can I take the
Undefined
script tag here?
is
Say
coming
this.
and true is also coming.
Yes, yes. Guys, let me take the script tag. Guys, can I create the function one?
Star
Can I
function.
create the function one? Yes,
Yes, sir.
function one.
Sir.
Here itself,
Yield.
yield of 100. Yield of
Yes.
100. Guys, can I create the function two? Can I create the function two? Function
Okay.
two.
It's
Function
a normal
two.
function. Oh,
Guys,
star.
function two. Next one, yield of. Next one is the yield of 300. Function two, yield of 300 we need to do plus. Okay, now guys, see this one again. Can I call the function two here?
Yes.
Can I call the function two here?
Yes.
Let me call the function two here. Here itself, we need to call the function two. Function two. Guys, can I create the function three? Can I create the
Okay.
function three? Function,
Okay.
function, what you want to do place function three.
Function 3.
Function, what you want to do place function three. Next one, what you want to do place can
Yield.
yield of 200.
400.
Here itself we need to place the yield of what? Yield of 200 again. Guys, can I call the function three here?
Yes.
Can I call the function three here?
Yield of
Function
star.
function three.
Function 3.
Guys, here itself yield of which one? Yield of what you wanted to place yield of 400. Guys, say this one. Is it a generator function one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Generator function one calling which function?
Function 2.
Guys, is it a generator function one
Yes.
calling which function?
Two.
Generated function 3.
Function three. Guys, line number 674. What is the value?
100.
100.
What is the value here?
300.
What is the value here?
200.
200.
What is the value here?
400.
400. Guys, can I create object to the function one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let objects.
Not object here. Not object.
Not object,
Fine.
sir. By the cursor. Let cursor.
For
For loop.
initialization.
Okay.
For initialization. For
I
initialization.
less than.
Condition. Next one is the increment. For initialization, condition. Next one is the increment. Console dot log off. Console dot log off. Say this one again. Let cursor equal to. Let the cursor equal to function one. Let
Function 1.
cursor equal to function one. Guys, can I call the next function? Let me call the next function. Cursor dot which
dot
function? Next function.
Next.
Cursor dot next function again. Yes, guys, is 100 executed?
Yes.
Yes, is 300 executed?
Yes.
How 300 we got it here? We got the 300
Function 2.
because of function 2. Because of function
Because
2.
of function
Guys,
2.
is 200 executed?
Yes. Because
Why
of
we
function
got the
3.
why we got the 200?
One more
Because of function 3.
generator function.
Guys, is 400 executed?
Yes.
Is 500 executed? Okay. Guys, not I less than 4. Can I place the I less than 5? Let me place the I
Yes.
less than 5.
Undefined
Undefined,
undefined.
next
Obviously
one is the
undefined.
true. Undefined and done equal to true. Undefined, next one is the done equal to true. Guys, easy na generated functions.
Easy.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
will you practice these examples?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Guys, how many types of functions we have? Guys, how many types of functions we have? We have the 7 types of functions na?
7
Yes, sir.
types. Yes, sir.
We have the 7 types of functions. 7 or 8?
7.
Can you check yourself? How many types of functions we have? See this one. I hope here itself we have the 7 or 8 na? 8 types of functions na?
8 types, sir.
Out of 8 types of functions, how many functions are completed? 7 types. We completed the 7 types of functions. Okay na?
Yes.
Guys, in the tomorrow session, guys, in the tomorrow session, I needed to go for the last type of function, that is optional parameter. After completing the optional parameters, the day after tomorrow, I needed to go for the rest concept. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Guys, can I commit the code?
Yes, sir. Git add dot.
Git add dot. Guys, how to commit it here?
Git commit
hyphen
hyphen m.
Git commit
hyphen
minus
m
m
some code.
function.
code.
Guys, how to push it?
Wait to push.
Git push. Okay, now fine.
Okay, sir.
Please prepare up to now. Okay. In the next session, guys, we need to go for the last type of function. Then later we need to jump to the chapter 3.
Okay.
Okay, now fine. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 10 a.m. class is there, no?
10 a.m. class is there. Tomorrow also
Okay.
6 a.m. 6 a.m. Not 5:45, 6 a.m. Join at 6 a.m.
Okay.